Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, October 11. Jamaica's Energy Management and Efficiency Program has been bolstered with the injection of $40 million. $10 million of that amount comes by way of grant funding from the European Union Caribbean Investment Facility. Another $15 million is being provided through a loan from the Inter-American Development Bank. And the remaining $15 million is from a loan agreement with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, JICA. At the recent signing ceremony for the exchange of notes and record of discussions with the Japanese government, Finance Minister Audley Shaw said the agreement was timely. He said the funds would assist the island's plans to diversify its energy mix to include the introduction of liquefied natural gas as well as wind and solar renewable energy.
Energy conservation is critical in all its components parts. Among them is switching over to LED lights as an example. And the entire street lighting system across the country, we have to switch to LED lights. We want to encourage also people who are at home in your households, spend a few extra dollars, purchase LED lights, which can help you to sharply reduce your electricity bills.
The Energy Management and Efficiency Program is expected to strengthen government's conservation efforts in fuel usage and the implementation of energy efficiency measures across key agencies.
I strongly hope that the government of Japan's official development assistance that we are providing to this country will be a worthwhile contribution for energy conservation, which is essential for the further economic and sustainable development of this country.
The Ministry of National Security is to introduce 3 applications utilizing Geographic Information System, GIS, as the island strengthens its security apparatus. Portfolio Minister Robert Montego says the apps have been written by a joint Jamaica Defense and Constabulary Force 22-member team. The applications are the e-policing app, the JamPulse Stat app, and the Jamaica Eye app. E-policing will allow lawmen and women to report for work by way of their thumbprints, eliminating the need for them to go to a physical police station. The JamPulse Stat app places police crime statistics on a GIS map to help the predictive and preventative capabilities of the police force. And the Jamaica Eye app will network all the CCTV cameras owned by the government and that of 500 private CCTV feeds to be geolocated and used.
At the back end, we will have a video analytics suite, and therefore we'll be able to utilize facial recognition and geofencing and tracking, so that once, if we are trying to track a car, once it passes these cameras, we'll be able to do that.
Minister Montego was speaking Tuesday at day 1 of a 2-day GIS user conference at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Government is to begin pre-scoping works to upgrade the St. Anne's Bay Regional Hospital from a Type B to a Type A facility. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says technical experts are being engaged to start the pre-scoping works, which are to begin in 5 months' time.
Which means identifying what we have, identify what we need, and developing the projectize the expansion plan in order to determine costs and what we need to do from infrastructure to personnel to equipment.
The minister was speaking at the recent opening of the hospital's expanded operating theatre and renovated male surgical ward. Still on health, by the end of the fiscal year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is to receive a framework report into how the island's free healthcare policy can be sustained. The framework will ensure that health service is delivered efficiently and effectively and is properly funded. The Prime Minister says the Universal National Health Fund will help with that.
Which is what most progressive developing countries have done. They put in place a Universal National Health Fund. So everybody contributes to the health fund so that at the point of need, they can access the service and then draw on the health fund afterwards.
And finally, the process to remove criminal records from our national heroes and their supporters has begun. On Tuesday, Culture Minister Olivia Grange tabled a bill to absolve certain national heroes and their supporters from criminal liability. National heroes to benefit from the bill include Sam Sharp, Marcus Garvey, Paul Bogle, and George William Gordon. Supporters, sympathizers, participants by association, and other freedom fighters will also benefit from the bill. Fulfilling a commitment made in her budget presentation, Culture Minister Olivia Grange said the bill is aimed at redeeming and restoring the dignity and integrity of the freedom fighters who made the ultimate sacrifice of dying for their beliefs.
We, the children of these freedom fighters, who gave up life and liberty so we can be free, cannot sit in silence and agree to a system that rendered those who freed us with their lives as criminals. This bill gives new life to these our heroes and unsung heroes. This bill, Mr. Speaker and colleagues, this bill seeks to redress the wrongs and set the captives free.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.